Okay, so that's one, you can keep adding edges. You want to add quads and stuff to define your object silhouettes. But there are some objects where it can get really difficult to start to add things such as really nice clean insets, okay? And I'll try and come up with something here. This isn't going to look great, but you'll get the idea. I want to, and this isn't a great example because this is actually not too hard to do in a subdivision, but you'll get the idea. We'll do that. And then, maybe I want to have this thing uh, connect, and inset this again. I just deleted this face. I'm going to cap that guy. Geopoly. And there we go. Maybe I want a surface that does this. Okay. Now, you can go in and subdivide this thing, right? This is totally doable. Like, we can go in and connect these edges, and, we can slide them up, pull them down. Same thing if, you don't even need to do one edge at a time. You can do two edges if you do connect. And you can do as many edges actually as you want, but do two, pinch it out. And we want these edges to be really tight, like so they look like they're manufactured. So there's this. There's this. And we'll do the ring in here. Let's just see what the turbo smooth looks like when I put that on there. Okay, and we'll do one for these. We'll do some stuff for these outer edges as well. I'm just ring selecting by shift clicking on the edge.